Countryman, countrywoman. Tori day. Una kuna another tori. So man, he talks his story. For that side, for Yaoundé. He say, he don't come, he come on Yaoundé can Douala where they live Douala for about 9 weeks now, where they Douala. And he talk say, a woman asks and say me this movie for Yaoundé, they send it for Douala for work. And then now, a woman don't go for Douala. And then a man, he come out for work for night. He can discover say, the woman don't go with the 3 pikin them for that transfer. He call. And then he talk say, as a woman, they know they take phone, you want to touch her, now the reason that he to decide for change town. So week they don't pass. After we there for Douala, and then woman, they picking them, they know the finyama. So now then that picking they don't fall sick. Now who go cure the picking them? Now they question that. So madam, before you want to take that picking and go, you know we think say this so if you reach your play way, if you happen say problem day, you take and go, you know what tell the man, problem day now you say go solve am. Now the question that way, we the ask am.